Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello student, good morning. Today in class 12 biology, the chapter is heredity and variation and the subtopic is codominance. The meaning of codominance, co means together and shows the effect collaboratively means together. So dear student, about codominance, here the alleles which are able to express themselves independently, even present together, are called codominant alleles. Means the alleles which are able to express themselves independently means freely, even present together. Suppose that two alleles which are located on the same loci, so they have ability to express both equally. So this biological phenomenon, this biological phenomenon is known as codominance. Student, for example, ABO blood grouping in humans. So in this ABO blood grouping, this ABO blood group are controlled by gene I. Now this gene I has three alleles. One is IA, another is IB, and third is I0 or small I. Means the gene that control this ABO blood group has three alleles: allele IA, allele IB, and allele I0 or small I. So dear student, here this IA dominant over I0 or small I, and this IB dominant over I0 or small I. When IA and IB allele both are present together, then both are dominant to each other. Means here IA and IB both are codominant. Now the function of here IA and IB produces surface antigen or RBC, and I0 or small I produces antibodies. So dear student, this is about codominant. You can find the several blood groups, like you know very well, blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. So here this blood group A having IA or IA small I. This is a genotype. Blood group B, IV or IV or small I. Now blood group AB, IA and IV both are equally, and blood group O, I0 or small I. So these are the blood group, and these are their genotypes. Second concept is pleiotrophy. It is a biological phenomenon, or it is a phenomenon in which single gene exhibits or shows multiple phenotypic expression. Means to say one gene have ability to show more and more, means many or more phenotypic expression. So pleiotrophic gene have a single nature, affect the metabolic pathway resulting in different phenotypes. So for example, phenylketonuria, it is a type of metabolic disorder, and in this disorder, means this phenylketonuria is caused by mutation in the gene, means the gene that coded phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase. This is an enzyme. No. This enzyme help, means phenylalanine, a type of amino acid that convert into tyrosine in the presence of this phenylalanine hydroxylase. Now the genes is mutated and there is a lack of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. So if the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is absent, then this phenylalanine cannot be changed into tyrosine in liver. So this phenylalanine change into phenylpyruvic acid, and this phenylalanine accumulated in the body, and later it converted to phenylpyruvic acid. Now this phenylketonuria having mental disorder, that is the mental retardation. Means this is the one problem in phenylketonuria, and second is change in skin pigmentation. So both are the effect of this phenylketonuria. So dear student, in phenylketonuria, mutation of the gene. So if the gene is mutated, then it cannot be produce this phenylalanine hydroxylase. If the phenylalanine hydroxylase is not formed, then this phenylalanine is not converted into this tyrosine. Now, this phenylalanine accumulated in the body and it later converted to phenylpyruvic acid, and it can cause brain damage and change into skin pigmentation. So this is about phenylketonuria. This is polygenic inheritance. Here poly means many and genic means genes. Means in this phenomena, more genes can participate for a single character. So it is a type of inheritance. It is a type of inheritance in which traits or characters controlled by 3 or more genes. Means for a particular character, for a particular trait, 3 or more genes can participate for their regulation and control. So such traits are called, means this type of traits are called polygenic traits and phenomenon is called polygenic inheritance. The phenotype reflects contribution of each allele and means in the phenotype this reflects the contribution of each allele and also influenced by the environment. So for example, human skin color. So now here one is black, this is the dominant. Another is white, this is a recessive one. So here parental generation, black and white, only 2. So black having 3 genes, capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C. That is a 3 pair of genes. For white, small a, small b, and small c, small c. Now gamete formation, A, V, C. From that side, small a, small b, small c. This side. So here 3 pair of contrasting character can consider. So it is a type of Mendel's trihybrid cross. Together, so capital A dominant over small a, capital B dominant over small b, and capital C dominant over small c. So the progenies means this is the F1 generation, and in F1 generation the progenies or F1 hybrid mulatto means combination of black and white, the condition is mulatto. Now if we consider selfing or self cross between this F1 hybrid, so in F2 hybrid we got 64 new combination. So dear student, this is about polygenic inheritance and example is human skin color. So dear student, this is for you. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.